Welcome to NHS One with the Weather. I'm Student Meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Taking a look outside, we have a temperature of 26, dew points at 25, and the barometer is at 30.2 inches, and it's falling right now. We have a low pressure system off our coast. Taking a look outside, this is a image from the Blue Hills Weather Observatory. Looking towards the city of Boston, you'll notice the clouds. That's going to be the dominant feature throughout the day today. Those clouds will be with us all day. Taking a look at the national radar. The trouble spot this morning is the Pacific Northwest. Today will be the trouble spot throughout this Thanksgiving travel week, and also a few showers around the Great Lakes. And taking a look closer in the city of Boston, not too much going on. A few snow showers out towards western New York and western Pennsylvania. Other than that, not a lot going on. Taking a look at the current current temperatures, 37 in the city of Boston, 46 in DC. Florida, you are in the 60s, and the Texas coast is in the upper 50s. The cold spot this morning, Minneapolis, they are at 33 degrees. Taking a look at temperatures closer into Boston. Boston, we are right around 40 degrees, upper 50s towards the Cape of the Islands, and Western Mass, you guys are in the upper 20s. Taking a look at the projected high temperatures for today, I think in Boston you'll be right around 50. As we go farther north, they will be in the 30s. And taking a look at Florida, they are going to be in the upper 70s. Texas coast, the warm spot today, they're going to be right around 80 degrees. And taking a look at the current satellite imagery, you'll notice a storm that's way off the coast. That's not going to affect us with any precipitation, but there will be these bands of clouds that will be affecting us today. Also, there's some clouds from western New York that will be affecting us today. So really, we're not going to break the clouds today or really anytime soon. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, you'll notice that storm that's way off the coast that is going to be sliding on out of here. Just some residual clouds affecting us, and we have a high pressure system off to our west. And you'll notice the trouble spot, as I mentioned, is the Pacific Northwest. They're dealing with some rain associated with a low pressure system, which is roughly located right here, and that's going to be the one trouble spot for the Thanksgiving travel week. Looking ahead, it's going to be cool on Wednesday, mix of sun and clouds from that storm that's offshore. For Thanksgiving, looking at lower to mid 50s, mix of sun and clouds. Go Mohawks! They'll be playing Medway High School, so good luck to the football players. This is going to be a great, great day. And taking a look at the Black Friday forecast, I think we're going to be in the upper 50s. Can't even rule out being hitting 60 degrees for Black Friday. Increase in clouds. There will be a cold front passing through on Saturday. And looking at the weekend, as I mentioned, cold front on Saturday. Can't rule out a few snow showers, especially on the back end of the cold front. And temperatures will be in the lower 40s. Sunday, I'd be almost surprised if we get out of the 30s, so it'll be very, very cold. And thanks for joining us. I'm Student Meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Remember, for the latest weather information, you know it's on my Facebook page, Tyler Simpson-MHS103 Weather.